GPT-4 is already outdated. It's yesterday's news, and AI agents are taking over our futures. It's a crazy statement coming from a guy who made a video about how insane ChatGPT-4 is just a couple weeks ago. Innovations in the AI space have been skyrocketing like crazy, like you wouldn't believe. I am trying to keep up with all of this news to make these videos, and I am getting FOMO. The length of these lists that I'm seeing of innovations taking place are scaring me, man. The craziest innovation that we've seen in the last week is something called Auto GPT. What is Auto GPT? Auto GPT uses the power of language learning models, or LLMs, like GPT-4, whilst hooked up to the internet to actually do things for you, rather than just spitting out text answers for you when you put in a prompt. Think of it as like an AI assistant. Auto GPT has a voice, it can fix code, it can set tasks, it can create new prompts for itself, it has long and short-term memory, it has internet access to conduct its own internet searches, it can take information from searches to input into its own workflow, it can access file systems to store information, and so much more. More and more things are being added to Auto GPT every day. Sounds cool on its own, but Auto GPT can be connected to literally anything, which will allow an automated GPT-4 to do its thing by itself with that platform. The things that will be created with this are going to change our futures, full stop. There is no going back. We are full steam ahead. We are on the track to the future. I mean, just think about it. Imagine a world where you have multiple AI assistants take care of complex tasks for you automatically, just from one single request. It's basically an AI workforce. Honestly, if you're not convinced of the power of these AI assistants, or AI agents, as people in the field are calling them, take a look at a couple of examples that I found of people using Auto GPT to do insane things already. For example, this one guy was able to update his website by talking to his Apple Watch. With a single request, talking into his Apple Watch, it sent the request to Auto GPT, which then created the list of things that it needed to do, and it did them for him and actually updated his website. I'm going to be showing the video of this being done right now. I could not believe what I was looking at. It's literally Jarvis. It's insane. This next one blew my mind too. Another guy was able to create an entire website just by telling Auto GPT what he wanted the end goal, what he wanted the website to look like. He essentially just asked for a website where you press a button and it spits out a joke. And Auto GPT browsed the web, extracted corny jokes, writ them down into a text file, and then built HTML files for him. At the end of that whole process, the page actually displays and the jokes are there. The button didn't work, but with a little bit of extra input on his end, he got the button to work too, and it built that really quickly with just one request. That would have saved him so much time. Think of the things you can do, how much time you can save by having these things coded and prepared and delivered for you. I mean, I'm imagining a world where I can ask this Auto GPT to go through my inbox, manage my inbox automatically, filter out what seems like spam, and reply to the emails that matter, then ping my phone about what was actually important, and then I can go in and actually read them, and I literally have an AI admin. And I mean, the thing is, that's what I'm imagining. That's gonna be possible soon, within this year, mark my words, because things are accelerating so fast. But if you thought Auto GPT, AI assistants, AI agents was the only innovation this week that absolutely blew my mind, you are wrong, because there is another one called Baby AGI. And Baby AGI is a program that, when given a task, a single prompt, will create a task list, and from that task list, on each task, will create a task list for each task. So imagine a parent task list, and then each task in the parent task list has tasks associated to them. And Baby AGI will fulfill those tasks for you on a loop, repeated. It will continue to do those tasks for you. So any monotonous, repetitive work that you need done can be done by Baby AGI. And you can see an example of it working right now on the screen, where someone asked Baby AGI to just make money. The first task it had set up was to set up a website. It then explained to itself what it needs to do and why it needs to set up a website. It needs a website that's optimized for monetization. From there, it created a task list associated to setting up a website, including developing the website's design and layout, setting up a secure payment processing system, setting up calls to action that are clear and effective, integrating user-friendly navigation systems, and the list goes on and on. This stuff blew my mind when I first saw it. And after that, it goes through the task list, and for that first task, develop the website's design and layout. It created another task list for that task. And it starts implementing these tasks as a result. That's crazy enough as it is, being able to set up this task list that just details out everything that you need to do, right? If you're ever confused about anything, or if you want to enter a new field or a new department or industry, you can just ask Baby AGI about it and it will tell you how things are done. Not only will Baby AGI do that, it will also execute each and every task for you. And imagine if you link Baby AGI to Auto GPT. Baby AGI can provide the lists and repeat it, and Auto GPT can fulfill each of those task requests. Right there, you have like an AI powerhouse. I mean, this stuff is absolutely insane. We're having AI assistants be made in real time, and we're like 3 weeks into GPT-4 being released to the public. I mean, it hasn't even been a month. And our dream of AI assistants is actually becoming real. It's crazy. We're in for a new world where advancements are being made so fast that the last 200,000 years of human progress in science won't even compare to just 1 year of this insanely efficient advancement that we're going through. Let me know down below, what kinds of things would you use these AI assistants and agents for? I'm super interested in hearing all of your ideas and to hear about all the repetitive things you do every day that you're excited to just leave to an AI so that you can be more creative and more fulfilled in your jobs. Until next time, I'll catch you later.